ICICI Bank, the complete story of India's banking giant. Welcome to the story of ICICI Bank. From its beginnings as an industrial finance corporation to becoming a private banking giant, ICICI Bank has had a transformative journey. In this video, we'll dive into the bank's history, struggles, business model, strengths, weaknesses, and whether it's a good investment today. Stay with us to uncover it all. The origin story. ICICI Bank was not initially established as a bank. In 1955, the Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India, ICICI, was formed to support the nation's industrial growth. Funded by the World Bank and backed by the Government of India, its primary role was providing long-term financing to large-scale industries. For 4 decades, ICICI fueled infrastructure projects, from steel factories to energy plants. But the winds of change came in 1991 with India's economic liberalization. Recognizing the growing demand for private banking, ICICI entered the financial services sector. The visionaries behind ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank's success is deeply rooted in the leadership of its visionary founders. 1. Jagdish Kapoor, the experienced banker who helped establish ICICI's strong corporate governance. 2. Kilavol Kamath, known as the architect of modern ICICI Bank. Kamath pushed digital transformation and customer-centric banking. 3. Chanda Kochhar, instrumental in expanding the bank's retail operations. Kochhar led ICICI Bank to become a household name. Each leader brought a unique perspective, helping ICICI navigate competition and economic uncertainty. Challenges and struggles. Despite its ambitions, ICICI Bank faced numerous challenges in its early years. Competing with established public sector banks like SBI and Bank of Baroda was no easy feat. Additionally, building customer trust as a private entity posed difficulties. Challenges faced: competition from public sector banks, limited customer trust, navigating regulatory changes. However, the bank's commitment to innovation paved the way for its growth. Technological advancements. ICICI Bank embraced technology like no other. In 1998, it became the first Indian bank to introduce internet banking, transforming how people manage their finances. Technological milestones. Internet banking, 1998. Mobile banking with iMobile app. AI-powered customer support. These innovations established ICICI Bank as a pioneer in the digital banking space. Business model breakdown. Let's break down how ICICI Bank makes money. 1. Net interest income. Interest on loans minus interest paid on deposits forms the bank's primary revenue source. 2. Fee-based income. Fees from credit cards, loan processing, and corporate services add significantly to profits. 3. Treasury operations. Investing in government securities and trading financial instruments provides additional income. 4. Insurance and asset management. Through subsidiaries like ICICI Prudential and ICICI Lombard, the bank earns through insurance premiums and investments. Advantages of ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank has several advantages that set it apart. 1. Strong digital infrastructure. 2. Large branch network. 3. International presence. 4. Consistent profitability. These factors contribute to ICICI Bank's continued growth and stability. Disadvantages and risks. However, every investment has its risks. ICICI Bank is no exception. 1. NPA risk. Non-performing assets, NPAs, remain a concern, especially during economic downturns. 2. Regulatory risks. Strict RBI regulations can limit operational flexibility. 3. Competition. The rise of digital banks and fintech companies increases competition. Investment analysis. Should you invest in ICICI Bank? So, is ICICI Bank a good investment right now? Here's what to consider. Reasons to invest. Strong growth trajectory. Leadership in digital banking. Consistent financial performance. Risks to evaluate. NPA management. Regulatory impact. For long-term investors, ICICI Bank remains a solid choice. But remember, it's always wise to consult a financial advisor before investing. Conclusion and call to action. ICICI Bank's story is one of resilience, innovation, and growth. From funding industrial projects to leading in digital banking, it continues to shape India's financial landscape. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Busy with Business for more financial insights.